In the name of Allah, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, today's subject is EVS of class 4th primary, and our today's topic is a visit to Jammu in Kashmir. Dear students, we have almost completed this lesson, namely a visit to Jammu in Kashmir. So today we will do exercise that means some textual questions which are mentioned on your textbook on page number 81. Dear students, now we will start today's lecture. Exercise. Name the question number 1. Name the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 1. Name the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Answer this question. Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Answer this. This is Srinagar is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Question number 2. Name the fruits available in Kashmir. Dear students, question number 2. Name the fruits available in Kashmir. Answer. Fruits available in Kashmir are almonds, apples, pears, grapes, peaches, and saffron. Answer this question. Fruits available in Kashmir are almonds, apples, pears, grapes, peaches, and saffron. Question number 3. What are the major crops of Jammu and Kashmir? Question number 3. What are the major crops of Jammu and Kashmir? Answer of this question. The major crops of Jammu and Kashmir are paddy, maize, and rice. पैडी शाली को कहते हैं, मेज़ का माने मक्की को कहते हैं, एंड राइस चावल. The major crops of Jammu and Kashmir are paddy, maize and rice. Question number 4. Which river flows through the Kashmir Valley? Which river flows through the Kashmir Valley? Answer of this question. The river which flows through the Kashmir Valley is Jahlim. The river which flows through the Kashmir Valley is Jahlim. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. Jammu is situated on the banks of river. Dash dash. Jammu is situated on the banks of river dash dash. Tavi river. Tavi river. Second, the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir is dash dash. The summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir is dash dash. The summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Jammu. The summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir is Jammu. Third part, the main food of Kashmir is dash dash. The main food of Kashmir is dash dash. The main food of Kashmir is rice. The main food of Kashmir is rice. Fourth, Leh is an important city of dash dash region. Leh is an important city of Ladakh region. Leh is an important city of Ladakh region. Fifth, dash dash river flows through Ladakh. Dagesh River flows through Ladakh, and Indus River flows through Ladakh. Priests of Buddhists are known as Dagesh. Priests of Buddhists are known as Dagesh. Priests of Buddhists are known as lamas. The Hazrat Bal, the Hazrat al Mosque is the most important holy place for Daesh. The Hazrat Bal Mosque is the most important holy place for Daesh. The Hazrat Bal Mosque is the most important holy place for Muslims. For Muslims, Daesh is situated near Srinagar. Daesh is situated near Srinagar. Dal Lake is situated near Srinagar. डल लेक, जिसको झील डल कहते हैं. Dal Lake is situated near Srinagar. Dear students, this was all about today's lecture. So be happy and safe. Khuda Hafiz.